Hi everyone, Dr. Simal Sohin here from AAYNA Clinic. Let's talk about the best skincare tips at every age today. First of all, sun protection. Cannot emphasize that enough. Sun is what causes the maximum damage to our skin. Number two, a good cleanser suitable for your skin type, whether it's normal, it's oily, or it's dry. Number three, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Even oily skins need to be moisturized because it's important to trap that layer of water under the skin. Lifestyle. So if you're a lifestyle, you need to make sure that you have a healthy diet, you get adequate sleep, you stop smoking, and you hydrate yourself enough. Number five, good antioxidant goes a long way in protecting your skin from free radical damage. Vitamin C, niacinamide are examples of topical antioxidants. So oral antioxidants are important if you're out in the sun a lot and your skin has a tendency to pigmentation. Number six, a good medical facial. It's important to keep your skin healthy because it cleanses, it hydrates, it exfoliates, and it extracts all your dead skin cells which get trapped with the environmental pollutants. And please remember, a scrub is not equal to exfoliation with the medical facial. Scrubs can be abrasive and exfoliation is done under controlled conditions. Take care of your skin and it will take care of you.